Story time. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, but this one is interesting and I honestly forgot about it, so I'm just gonna share it with you guys. So this happened quite some few years ago, and I was dating this young lady, and we were very active, very active, and we went an entire week just being into each other. And I'm trying to choose my words wisely to get the point across without being too explicit. So, get the picture? Where we were like two bunny rabbits going at it over and over and over and over. And this specific day that I'm referring to, we went a few rounds to the point where I fell asleep in it. Woke up, continued, then she fell asleep in it while I was in it. When I say it was a very eventful day, it was a very eventful day. It's with a pleasureful heart do I say that I ended that day feeling light as a feather. I had nothing in my back. My back was empty. Hope you get my gist. So imagine my surprise when I was there in the kitchen. We were trying to get something to eat, and I'm there giving myself trouble. And she was to say to me, because I was asking for some more, and she was to say, I would like to do a thought experiment. And I'm like, what type of thought experiment? She's like, I would like to give you so much to the point where you want no more. I want to give you so much to the point where you become allergic to it. And I say, my friend, my friends, my sisterins and my brethrens, I was fed. I was satisfied. And I was forever walking around with an empty back. And I hope I have used the appropriate words to not come off as explicit. However, the words that would get across the point well. But yeah, that's my story time. And if you want to see more of these story times, do let me know in the comment section.